Procedure on how to disassemble the Darwin head. Pull open the flip-top head. Press the white ejector pin. Very important, when doing this, keep hands away from the oral cavity. The mandible will automatically be held by the magnet, so you do not have to catch the typodont. Remove the typodont. Loosen the silver lever and place the black swivel piece with the U shape up. Loosen the black lever in the middle and then the black lever towards the back. Gently slide the Darwin head inside the cupboard and gently lay it on the bottom shelf. Important, leave the levers loose when storing in the cupboard. Do not force anything. Ask for instructor or lab tech for help.
Okay.